In this video, I am going to show you how to create a donation or charity website. Now, maybe if you have an organization or you are planning out to create a donation platform where people can actually come and then make donations for maybe the less privileged or maybe someone that needs help out there, this video will be a helpful guide for you. I am going to be showing you step-by-step process that you can use following and implementing my video to create a professional donation or charity website. Okay guys, so if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos around tech stuff and web, and we show you how to make money from your web design skill as a web developer. So if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, there is a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscription button and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release educating videos of this sort, YouTube is going to notify you, and then you are going to get on that video and make the best result out of it. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into my system and I quickly show you how to create a donation website with easy clicks and then easy strategy. You can actually deliver this work to your clients, and then you can actually charge them a huge amount of money to deliver this work for them. So the idea behind this video is you can actually follow my procedure in this video, and then you can implement that, and then you can get the exact same result. Now let me take you to this fund donation website. So you can see that this is a donate. It says there donate, fundraise, and volunteer. You understand? Small support make big change. You understand? Stuff like that. So this is a donation website that you can actually create. Maybe if you are a non-governmental organization, an NGO that helps people to raise money for maybe their ailment and stuff like that, and you're looking out to create a platform or website online where people can actually come, make investment, and then donate to help the less privileged and others. So this video will help you create such kind of website. So you can see that this is a donate button right here. Now you can see that the featured campaign and other stuff. Now this kind of website, you can literally use this to you can the admin can create donations, different kind of donations. Even registered users also can also maybe if you have an issue that you need help from people, you can actually create an account on this platform. You can see like we have the register button and they have the login button here. So let me just click on this real quick. So you can actually click and then register on this platform, and you can also create a donation way that where people can actually come to you and then they can actually invest or donate for you, maybe for whatever stuff you have, maybe through sickness. For here, you can see that we have some already created donation that people are requesting for. You see, my justice, wishing prudent, waiting in B. You understand? So you see the amount here as a separate families, my own drownings do owe offend, stuff like that. So you can see that you can actually create endless donations that people can actually come and then they can actually help you raise some funds. So you can see that this is said help RED recover treatment expenses. You can see that so $0 has been raised for this, and the total goal for the help is 2,000. So you can the admin can actually set this from the admin dashboard. So you can see that this is a robust platform and it's going to help you create your donation website. So I just want to, this video is divided into two segments. Now the first segment is where I'm going to be showing you how this whole process works, what you can get from this kind of website and what it entails, you understand? So now the second segment is where I'm going to be showing you how to actually create this website, the steps you need to follow for you to get to publish and deliver this kind of website to your clients. Now let's get started with the first segment. Now here on the first segment, I just want to give you a walkthrough. So you can see that this is the platform, and already one I've already uploaded so that you can see how it works. You can see, so you can actually click here to make a donation. So let me click on make a donate. So let's see what happens. So you can see that this is led unattended, highest visited, lasting start through. You see that? So you can see that the total money needed is $500. That is the goal, but we have $9,000 raised already by different people. So you see that. So this is the details of this donation. You can see that this is the description, the full description for this donation, so you can read through. If it's something you can help the person out, you can just click and then you can make your donation. You understand? Now another good part of it is that you can actually make your donation. You can pay through using the Bitcoin wallet address or whatever cryptocurrency you want to use. You understand? And you can also set it up using some other payment gateway. Let me click on donate so that you see what I'm trying to say. So you see that, so you can just click on donate right here. And remember, I said you can actually create accounts and then you can create a donation where people can come and then listen to what your donation is all about. And if something they can help, they could just click on it and then make donation to you online. So you can see that. So this is just what you need to put for you to make donation for this particular. So you can see that you can actually do this donation anonymously. You don't want the person to know that you are particularly the person providing these details. You understand? So you just have to put your name, your email address, your phone, and you just have to select the particular payment gateway you want. So I'm selected Flutter Wave. Let me just put my name as Tech, my email address tech shift@mail.com. So my address, I can just say Ghana. Phone number, I can just put any random number right here. So I just want to do a donate anonymously. So I just want to click on donate right away. So basically it's going to take us to the donation area where you can actually um, see how you can make the payment, and then you see that it has redirected us to Flutter Wave. You understand? So don't worry, all the processes needed to set this up, I will show you that in this video. You understand? So it's redirecting us to Paystack. You understand? So you see, so while we wait for that, let me just go back a little more. So this is the donation place. So you can see that you can donate any amount. So this is the total needed funds for this particular donation is $500. But already 9,000 has been generated, so you can actually decide to maybe donate $200 or whatever amount. You can just edit it from here. So I can just decide to donate $2,000. You understand? So if that's cool for me, I donate anonymously, then you click on donate. Now this is the front end of this platform. So let me just take you to the admin segment so that you see some stuff that we can do from the admin segment. So now let me just come back to this place. So now this is the admin, you understand? So let me go back to dashboard. Let me click and go back to dashboard. So you can see that the dashboard is fresh and it has a cool dashboard right here. So you can just click on this icon to switch the navigation to white mode or dark mode. So I prefer the dark mode, so I'm just going to toggle it back to that. So you can see that there are details from this admin. Most of the things you see existing here on the front end were edited from the admin end. So you see that this is the admin dashboard. So basically from the admin can change the payment details. The admin can update the name of the website. The admin can create donations for different clients who need some donation and help from people. So that's just basically what you can do from the admin. Now you can actually create blogs, you can create a support ticket, because most of the times some of these customers or clients who needs a donation may want to report for something, maybe delay in payment and a lot of stuff like that. So there is a support ticket that the admin will receive once this client make such request. So when you come to users, you're going to see all the users that have registered on this platform. You can see, so we just have one. So I believe should be my account. So we just have one registered. So whatever registered customer on this platform will be seen by admin here. So you can see, let me just verify this information so that the admin can verify. Okay, I've not submitted any document, so it can be verified. So let me go back to all users. So you see all users. So let's say these all users are people who just came to the website and then they created an account and then they just came here and clicked on register, you understand. So once you do that, you just come, the admin can see you from all users. However, the admin can also create users from the admin dashboard. So let's say for instance, you have a customer or there is a client who needs a donation, but the clients don't know how to create or register an account. You can just get their details from them, their name. So let's say Fred is the username. So let's say Fred, something like that, at mail. So let's just say something like that. So that is the username, Control A and Control C. So that's my mail also, Control V. So cool. I can just put my number and say this is my location. So this is the states. So let me say Nigeria. So Nigeria is my country. So I can just select Nigeria precisely. Then state is Abuja. So Abuja, the city is let's say Jabi. So Jabi, we can just get a zip code for Abuja. So you can just say our address, whatever place in Jabi that you reside. So you can just get a proper detail of the customers you're creating an account for. So you can put your password. So you can just put your password and you can confirm it. So if these details are correct, you just make sure and reconfirm from your customer who you're creating an account for. You just have to click on add user. I'm going to remove this. So just click on add user and you wait while that loads up. So as it's loading up, so we just have to wait a little time. So it's going to create. Remember, this username will not log in. So you just see. So you see, so it's still loading up. So we give that a little time to load up. So while we proceed, so you can just do that. So I'm just basically showing you some of the things you can do from the admin dashboard. There are more to it, so I'm just going to give you a walkthrough on this. Understand? So you see the FAQ, you see the image gallery. This is where you are going to, let me right click and open this on a new tab. Okay, so I believe this has been, see, new user has been created. Whoa, so that user has been created. So let's come back to all users now. And now let's see if that account reflects immediately. Whoa, so you can see that. So this is Fred, the account we just created. You can see that. So it's working fine and it's cool. So I had to set this up myself before recording this video so that you see that it is a working stuff. So you can actually follow my procedure in this video and then you can get the exact same result. Now let's go down. So I've explained to you what the support ticket is all about. So clients can create support. Admin can also add a new support, a new ticket right here. You understand? So let's just click on custom pages. So these are all the pages. So most of the things you're seeing here on the front end can be edited from the admin dashboard. You understand? So once you come here, you can see all the pages we have here. So we see, so these are all the donations that has been created by the admin, and customers and maybe philanthropists can just come here and then make a donation for any particular one they feel like. So you can see, so they just come is a very robust system that could help you reach out to people who are going to donate for you. You can see, so these are just the front end, and most of the content has been written for you. So is this a charity platform? You can see. So these are all cool stuff you can do here. So now let's go back to the admin. So let me close this page. Now on the admin, another thing, you can see that we have notification, we have task setting. Now this donation you're seeing here is where you can actually create courses. So you can see all courses. Those are all the donations that have been created. So let me open that, and these are, you can add new course. And adding new course means creating a new donation that is going to appear on the front end. Now you can see that we have a bulk. Okay, still processing. So this is the list of all the donations that are dominant in the platform. So let's just wait for that is processing for me. Whoa, so you can see that. So this is the last one that was created. You see that? So whichever one, you can select the category where you can list it. Emergency, this is treatment, this is non-profit. So these are all the donations that have been created. You need to upload it with an image of maybe a particular person that needs the donation, or if it is an organization that needs the donation, you can just decide to just put your image, just like here where you have group of children who needs your support. It says support kids at GCCH. You see that? So if this, the category is environment, and so now let's say for instance you want to edit a particular donation that has been created. So like if you see help RED recover treatment expenses. So now if you come back here to the front end, you're going to see that. So you can see help RED recover treatment expenses. So you can see that we have 0% raised, and the actual goal for this fundraising is $2,000. So now let's say we want to edit some details from the admin. So I'm just trying to show you that basically whatever thing you're seeing on the front end is editable from the admin. So you can see that this is just the amount. So we can just increase this now to we can increase it to, we can just say $4,000-5,000. So that is cool. So it's the category before is emergency. So now let's take it back to medical. Or no, let's still leave it at him, or let's just do it for tutorial sake. So that is it. So you see that. So I want it to be published. So if you want it to show on the front end here, so you just must make sure you check the publish status. You understand? If you want it to be banned or archive or on draft, you can just select. But if you want it to be present here on the front end, just make sure you select the publish, and then here is where you select the image. You understand? So if you want it featured also, you can see featured, you make it show. If you want it emergency, you select emergency. And then if you want to give them a reward, maybe there will be a reward for you to donate and stuff like that, and gift. This is just all you can do. So let me just update course now. So it's updating. So once this is set, I'll just have to go over to the front end. So that let's confirm that that update was effected immediately. So let's wait for that to load up. So while that is okay, wow, it says updated, course is updated. So now let me come back here and then refresh the front end here. So you can see that it was $2,000. So let's wait for it to refresh. So whoa, 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 whoa. You can see that we have $4,500 in now. You can see that it has been edited, you understand? So this is just basically, so let me click on it. There are other edits we made. So let me do that. So okay, yeah, here it is. So let's scroll down. So you can see that this fundraiser is in an urgent need of funds. This is showing this because we selected emergency while we were creating it over here. If you check, we added emergency here. Let me show you. Emergency featured. You see that shown. You understand? So that is why it is showing this stuff here. So you can just see that. So it is now on medical because we changed it to medical. Understand? So this you just have to take your time and do the good prerequisite setup to get your website active. So you can see that this is just basically showing you how to create a donation on the platform. Now we just want to move over to, let me show you some of the things, the settings you need to do from your admin. So now let's go down. So what you just have to do immediately is just to come down right here. Just come to general settings. Now from these general settings, you can see that you can update a lot of stuff that resides on the website. Now first of all, once you come to general settings, come down to site identity. So come down to site identity. It's loading up. So once that is loading, so let's see, let me right click and open this on a new tab. So okay, site identity has opened. So you can see that this is the site identity. So this is where you can now upload your logo. Now let me choose a logo. Let's change that logo already. So let me select upload files. It says we should drag or select your image. So I just want to select images from my desktop. So my desktop, okay. So this is it. So I just want to select a, let's just select this image, but make sure you draft a cool image for your work, as that is going to tell good on you. You understand? So this is my image. So okay, so once I do that, I just want to select site logo image. So white, so I'm just going to choose that again. So this is it. So I just want to select this as the second one. Okay. Okay, let me do something again. So let me do delete this. Okay, so now let me select this one again. So I'm going to select site image. Oh, you can see that. So now I just want to change my logo. So I'm just going to click on save changes. So you can see that this logo should change immediately to the one I updated it to. Whoa, you can see that that is sitting right here. Now if I still come back to the front end and then I do a hard refresh, shift F5, that should come up sitting right here. So as that is loading up, let me come back to the admin. Now you've updated your logo. This is where you can change your logo with easy clicks. So now let's come back to basic settings. Basic settings. Now once you've set up your website, you should do this. Just follow my procedure. So come to site title. What name are you giving to your own website? So let's just say help. Let's just say help them. Let's say that is the name of our platform, help them. Cool, that is just there. You know, so the site tagline, Control A, Control C. So I just come here, Control A and Control V to paste. You see that's cool. So you can show maintenance mode, you can enable admin panel, you can just see some cool stuff. You can, now this stuff I actually turned it off myself. Now once you disable or enable this, once a client registers on the platform, it is going to request them to verify their email. And it's working 100%, but I turned it off to do this video little quick. So once you just decide on the one to turn on and stuff like that, you can just come here and then click on update changes. Help. So we changed our website name to help them, no longer fund rex. So let's do that. So it's loading up. Whoa, so the setting update has been effected. So once I believe this stuff should come up now. So you see that? So it's the image is sitting right here. But you can see that this image is not optimized very well. Understand? So that is why I said you should make sure you should get a cool image to add to your website. So just make sure you do a good editing and you do that. So now another important thing you need to do is SMTP settings, so that with this your clients can receive email, and then also admin can also send mail to clients on the platform. So now let me just show you how to do that. So now you can see that this is the SMTP mailer. So SMTP host should be your domain name. The SMTP port should be 465, depending. Well, however, this SMTP should be sent to you once you create an email from your cPanel, depending on the server you're using. You understand? So if you don't have any particular server you're using, my referral link is in the description of this video. When you make use of my referral link to get a hosting or any service, actually, you're going to get a discounted price. Most times you may even get a free domain. Understand? So, and me, while I also get a commission for referring you. So it's a win-win for both of us. So my referral link is the first link you will see on the description of this video. So you can just click on it. It's going to redirect you to where you can get your hosting. So, but for the hosting I'm using, they are going to send you your SMTP setup details. You understand? So you can see that when you create your email. So let me show you how you can create your email that you can add right here. So you just come down to, okay, I'm going to do that later. So once we go back to when I'm going to be showing you how to do your setup, I'll just show you how to do that. So but for now, just follow my procedure. So you can just see, just create your email and add it here. the SMTP email, the cPanel webmail you created, you also add the password here and then select SSL. So you can just update it. So now let's do a test and confirm that this email is working. So you just put your subject and then you can just type a message. So let's send me right now. So it's going to show you now that if the SMTP is not set up well, consider this is SMTP test. Understand? So email send success. If it's not set up very well, you're not going to get this notification. It's going to give you an error info. You understand? So once you do this setup, you're ready to go. So you just have to come here also and come for email setting. So just take your time. It is easy to do with just a few clicks. You understand? You cannot set up the thank you message you're going to receive or your customers are going to receive whenever they perform some activities on the platform. So let me just come down here. So whatever pages you want to do, so you can see that we have color setting. Let me see the color setting. You can see that we selected yellow, and that is why you're majorly seeing a yellow color right here. So now let me come here and let's see. Let's do something like selecting of green. This should be blue. Good. Let's do something like this. So let me update the changes. So I'm just walking you through the setup and everything, you understand? So this is just cool and how it works. So color settings. So now let's come back here and do a hard refresh, Shift F5 to see if the yellow colors changes to our desired color. So let's wait for that to come up. Whoa, guys, you can see that. So we, instead of yellow, we now have blue color everywhere. This was previously yellow, so but now it is blue in color. So guys, you can see that every one of this stuff is working 100%. You understand? So these are cool. So you can just change the colors from here. So let's go back to general settings. You understand? So I've shown you how to do your email, every stuff needed to know. So what is stuff? Okay, now yes, another thing is payment gateway. So now let me show you this payment gateway. So just click on payment setting. Remember, as I said, you can use cryptocurrencies to accept payments on this platform. So let me click and then show you how to do that. See that this is the site currency. So you can see that with this you can select the currency you want for your platform. So I want mine to be US dollars. So currency symbol position should be left. Disable decimal point. Yes, it's disabled. Now default payment gateway, it is manual. It is manual here, you understand? So we have manual and we have other kinds of payments, you understand? Now if you come here now, let's say we want to donate. Let's click on donate now. Let's click on donate. So you can see all these payment gateways now. You understand? Most of them I removed them for mine. So let me just show you how to remove them now. So now all these payment gateways. So let's come to Paystack. Paystack, 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 Paystack. Okay. So just scroll down, come to this payment settings. So once you click on each one, you're going to see that enable this. I'm going to hide it. Enable this payment. No, I don't want the payment gateway. So this particular one, I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to click on disable. So I'm going to click on floater wave. I'm going to come back here and click on disable and disable. So it's just to take your time and edit all this, pay fast. So I just want to disable this and disable this. So I come to cache free settings. I'm going to disable this and disable this. So let's scroll down. So I just want to show you how to do that. So this particular payment gateway, I'm going to click on disable and disable this. So just take your time and do this. So it's not going to show and it's not going to be active. So just do that. Okay guys, so you can see that the payment has been updated. So now let's come back here and then do a refresh to confirm if this stuff were removed from the admin. Whoa, you can see that okay, we still have these ones remaining. Paystack, Mid-Trans and stuff. So let's just come back here and let's go back to them. Paystack, disable. So this one, Mid-Trans. So you can see that payment is updated successfully. So now let's refresh again. Whoa, you can see that. So these are just the remaining ones. So just take your time and do the necessary edits that you want on your platform. Okay, so now let's say you want to add a manual payment for yourself. Maybe you want to add a cryptocurrency payment to receive funds for yourself. You know, so just have to come down to these manual payments, and then you need to check it, make it to show, and then you select the name, put the name you want. You understand? So this is where you're going to paste your wallet address. You understand? So now let me do something like this. This is just our wallet address. So after pasting your wallet address, just select a good image. Let me click on upload and select image. Let's still use this. Let's use this. So select image. Cool. So that image is there. So this is our wallet address. So I just have to click on update changes. So clients can use this Bitcoin wallet address to message and make their donations on the platform. Understand? So let's wait for that to load up. Yeah, you can see. So it's loading up. So whoa, so you can see that the payment has been updated right here. So let's come back and reload here. So let's reload this and confirm that the payment gateway has been added, so that through these clients or donators, people can donate through it. So let's scroll down. So I believe, okay, yeah, whoa, this is the logo. So if you just click on this image now, so you see the wallet address right here. You see that? So this is the, click on that, you see the wallet address. So you don't have to copy it and then upload the proof of payment. So after that, they fill in their name and everything. They just click on donate, and that's going to go through. So this is basically how this donation platform works. And so you can see that this is a full robust system that you could use to set up your donation and charity website, where people can just come and make donations to customers, and then maybe ill patients who needs help from the masses. So guys, we are going to be going over to the second segment of this video. So the second segment is where I'm going to show you how to get your servers ready and then get to deliver this work to your clients. Now let's get started. Now here on the second segment, the first thing you need to do to start getting to create this website for your client is to get your domain name and get your hosting. So with this, you can use any of the registrars, you can use Hostinger or whichever one. I'll be leaving my affiliate link in the description of this video. Use my affiliate link. The hosting is a very strong hosting, and then you're going to get a commission for using my referral link, while I also get a commission for referring you. So this is just a win-win for both of us. So click on the link. So now the tools and softwares I'm going to be using to deliver this work in this video, just follow me from beginning to this end, and I will show you how you can get access to the website script and everything that will be used to set this donation website in this video. So now let's proceed. So once you've got your domain name and hosting, you can just get your domain name. So let's say the domain name you want to use is donate so a name like this.com. So once you purchase the name, so I believe you should know how to do this. You just do it then /cpanel. So if you do something like that, you will be prompted to put your domain cpanel login username and then your password, which will be sent to you from the hosting company. And so once that email comes, you just have to, you will log in and then see a place like this, and you can see that this is your cpanel. Now I'm doing this for the purpose of those who don't know how to do this from scratch. But if you're a pro and you know how to set up web script, I believe you should be following me at this point now. So if this is your first time doing this, just get your domain name from any registrar or using my referral link in the description of the video. Get your hosting, get your domain name, wait while the registrar send you cPanel details, which you can use to log into your cPanel. And once you log onto your cPanel, you'll be brought to an interface as exactly as what you're seeing on my screen. So as you can see here, boldly written is cPanel. You understand? So you can see that right here. So these are the things you can do. So once you're here, you just have to locate your file manager. So you can see file manager here. So if you can't see file manager here, you can just come to the search tool here and search for file manager, and you see that that's the first one. So you just have to double click and open it, so you can see that this is your website details. So you're seeing all these files and folders here because I already have a website residing on this domain name. So however, if you're getting this the first time, you won't be seeing all these folders and files because yours will be as new. So what you just have to do is ignore everything, just come to your public_html. So from here now you can just see all the folders. So what you just have to do is just come here, upload, click. If you're doing this for a real work, you understand, for the purpose of this video, I am not going to be doing it on the primary domain name, you understand. So the primary domain name is one where your website is going to reside. Let's say you purchased donatedem.com, that is your primary domain. So once you upload it on your directly to your public_html, once you load up the website, it is going to show what you've uploaded. So but for the purpose of this, I'm just going to be doing this on a folder. So however, if you're doing it for the first time, it's not complicated. Just upload directly to your public_html instead of creating a folder. I hope that is clear. So now let me create a folder, and I can name the folder helping. So let me just let's just use that name so that is also related to those. So let's create that folder. So that folder is helping. So so this is helping right here. So I'm just going to double click. So you're going to see it is as empty. So please note that if you're doing this for a real client, just upload directly to public_html rather than creating a folder. I am using a folder because I'm just trying to show you how to do this, and then I already have a residing website on this domain name. So I just have to click on the upload. So don't worry, the files that we'll be using to create this in this video, before the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to them. So I just have to come to my downloads, and then I'm going to double click on this. So these files, before the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get access to this file so that you can also use it to deliver your own donation and then charity website. So let's wait while that is uploading. So while it is uploading, you can just chill out and then take a chill bottle of Coke and then wait while it upload. So let's wait for that. So guys, you just have to wait for it to upload to 100 and then turn green. So our upload is complete. So I just have to come back here and then do a reload. So I've just reloaded. So let's just wait for that to reload. Whoa, so you can see our script there. So what you just have to do is, once you've uploaded, you just have to extract. I click and then click on extract files. So let me close this tab and close this one. So whoa, it has been extracted for me. So just have to close this also. This. So let's just close some of this. So whoa, we can see that. So our script has extracted. So I'll just have to open the folder that was extracted for us. Okay guys, so once you've extracted your files, you're going to see these 3 files. So once you see these 3 files, this is the major one that we need, and this then is the documentation folder. So this documentation folder is a guideline to helping you upload and then extract this. And so if after still watching this video there are places you didn't get clarity on, you can still get to check through this documentation folder. However, this video is a complete setup guide, so you can just watch this video and then set it up yourself. So after these 3 files has been extracted for us, I just have to double click on this one and then select everything on this and then move. I want to move it into the help in the folder we created. Now if you didn't create a folder, which means you're creating it for a real client or for a real work, do not upload to a folder. Upload and remove everything at the back of public_html and then upload directly to public HTML. You understand? So I created a folder which is helping, which is where I want to move my files to. So wow, I've moved my files. So now let's come back to public HTML and then I go back to helping. but you can see that those files has been moved for us. Now this script is made with a Laravel framework, so we just have to do an automatic installation. So for us to just do that, I uploaded this to a folder, so it is my domain name slash the folder I created, then slash install, you understand, which is where we are going to do an automatic installation for us. Now if you did this on a primary domain, which is you uploaded to directly to public HTML, what you just have to do is your domain name then slash install, you understand. Why I'm putting folder is because I did it for the sole of this video, and then I have a predominant website on my domain. So if you did it on your primary domain, just your domain name slash install, and then you're going to install the script. So let's get that done. So my domain name now, so let me just copy my domain name, and I'm going to just copy it. Then I can just come to a new tab, and then I just paste my domain slash helping is the folder I created, helping, then slash install. So note that if you're doing it directly under the public underscore HTML, you just have to do it slash your domain slash install. So you can see the information we have here. We just have to click on I agree and continue. So now see, you need a required PHP version of 8.1 and these other requirements. So that is why I recommend you should click and use my referral link, so that you're going to get a hosting that is compatible with your script, you understand. So you don't have to have any issue, because there are most hostings that may not have some of these requirements to set this up, you understand. So let me just click on next. So you need to make sure that these folders have the permission of 775. So let's do that right away. So let's go back to the folder called bootstrap cache. So let's come back here, call folder, then bootstrap, double click, and then the cache. So the cache should be 775 instead of 755, 0775. So I just have to save that. So let's come back, which other one is needed. So we need core storage. So let's go back, core, then storage, storage. So let's do this. So this one 775, I click on save. So under storage, we still need to edit app should be 775 also. I click on save. Then framework should be 775. I click on save. Then the logs should be 775 also, 775. So I click on save. So now let's come back here and check again. So these are okay, our logs, framework, and app. So we click on next. Whoa, so it says this database is required. So now we click on next. So this is where we are at the moment. So you can see that we need a database information to continue the installation process. Now at this point, you need to create a database for yourself, you understand. So you just have to come back to your cPanel. So let me come back to my cPanel. You understand, either you search from this search bar, or you just have to come back and locate your databases. So once you come here, you locate my SQL database wizard. So I just have to open this. So I just have to open this. So yeah, so that has been created for me. Okay, so now you just have to input and create a database for yourself. So let's say donate DB. So you click on next step. So I just want to show you how to create your database. I have actually created a database for myself already. So if you've not created your database, come to your cPanel, locate my SQL database wizard. You will be brought to an interface like this, you understand. You have created a database named, you understand. So you don't have to create a database username, create a password. You can just password generate. You copy your passwords and then save it. So after doing that, just follow the on-screen process. You will be redirected to a place where you will have to copy your database username and then the database name. So after that, you check on all privileges, and then you come down and click on next step. So I already have a database I've created, so that is why I won't continue this process, so that this video won't take a longer time. So I just have to come here and get my domain detail business details. So this is the database name, so I just have to copy that. I come here, I come to database name, I paste that, I paste. So I come here and copy again, I copy the database username, I copy, so I paste here also, I paste. So I come back here and then copy my database password. This is my database password. So it is actually a simple process to install. So I put my database password here. So with this, you are good to go. So what is the admin name? I can just say admin. So this is the username. I can just put it to super admin. So this is my password. So make sure, okay, now I said I was going to show you how to create a mail, the mail that you can use here, and then that you can also add to the site settings, the basic settings, and then the SMTP settings. So for you to create your email, come back to your cPanel. So you will see email account. So click on email account. Once you click on it, you're going to see create. So you see create, just click on create, and you'll be redirected to just put a username you want. Let's say admin, and then it's going to put admin at your domain name. So just generate password, or you can use any one you want. You can then copy the password and put in your notepad, and then click on create, and in a click your email will be created. So that email, you can now use it and then copy and come and paste here. So but for me, I want to use admin@mail.com as my email. So I just want to click on that. So you can see that this is okay. Make sure every detail is correct, and then I just have to come back here and click on check database connection. So this script is going to install for us after checking the database connection. Okay guys, so you can see that our website has been imported successfully. It says database imported successfully, system information imported successfully, admin credentials updated successfully, and guys, you can see that installation is successful. So let's just right click right here and then open our website on a new link. So we can just see that our website is showing, is loading up a little quick. So let's just wait for that. So but with this setup guide, you can set this up for yourself, and you can actually charge your client from 250 to 1 million to deliver this kind of work for them. So you can see that our website is active and it's here, you understand. So you can see that, so every detail you need to log into this system is updated and everything is okay. So guys, now let's say you want to log into your admin. To log into your admin, just come here and type your domain name slash, if you uploaded to a folder, slash your folder, then slash login slash admin. Okay, so if you did it on a primary domain, what you just have to do is your domain name slash login slash admin. And so with that, you can actually log on to the admin panel of this. So you can see that we added a username then. So we added the username. Admin. Then our password should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. So that should be, whoa, we are redirected to admin. So you can see that these are the details we included while we were doing the installation. Wow guys, you can see that we've logged in to the admin right away. So guys, this is how to actually set up a donation and charity website for yourself or for your client. You understand? You can actually charge a huge amount of money to deliver this work to your client. So I promise you, I will be giving you and telling you how to get access to the software I used in this video. So if you have 45,000, with 45,000 you are going to get access to this web script. I'm going to leave my details in the description of this video, our phone number on WhatsApp. You can just message us and then tell us you want to get access to the software that is used to develop this donation charity website. So with 45,000 naira, you can get access to every software that was used to develop this in this video, and with it you can just replicate my process and step by step, and then you get access to this to deliver this job